Hello parents, today I will tell you very important 3 signs that shows that your child could be the future millionaire. Sign 1, they delay gratification, they can wait. This is the strongest sign of the kids. अगर उनको instantly कुछ money मिली है, they wait for the longer reward. ऐसा नहीं है आपने उनको कुछ money दी, वो उसको save करेंगे for the better result. एंड दे डोंट थ्रो द टेंट्रम. अगर आपने उनको बोल दिया कि आपको नहीं मिलेगा, दे हैव अ वेरी बिग सेल्फ कंट्रोल हैबिट इन दैम एंड दे आर वेरी डिसिप्लिन्ड. Famous study like marshmallow experiment shows that the kids who could wait for the longer time were very successful in their life emotionally, academically and financially. As a parent, what we should do? We have to teach them the patience, not give them the achievements. And second, give them a habit of saving money like a piggy bank. And number 3, we don't have to give them everything instantly. Let them wait for a moment. Sign 2, they take initiatives and solve the problems. Future millennial kids don't wait for the instructions of others. They just act and they don't blame others very easily. They solve their problem on their own. अगर उनसे कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुई है, कुछ टूट गया है, they try to fix that. And they come up with very new ideas. They have a critical thinking, entrepreneurship in their mind. And if we will relate it into the real life, then if we will think about the right now the millennial, and they are not just the worker, they are the creators and problem solvers. As a parent, what we should do? We have to encourage them for their small responsibility and ask them what we should do according to them. And give them the small responsibility and let them do a little struggle. Sign 3, they are deeply curious, not limited to the textbook or the schools. Curious mind grows into the leaders and innovators in the future. वो आपसे constantly how and why पूछते रहते हैं. They learn beyond the textbooks and they are always ready to learn the new skills like communications, tech related things, drawing related things, and something which is related to keep their mind sharp. And if we have the curious kind of the kids, that growth mind is related to the success in the future. And if you will see, most successful peoples are not always the smartest, but the big thing in them is they always constantly learning. As a parent, what we should do? We have to encourage their whys. अगर वो आपसे बहुत सारे questions put करते हैं, let them try to find out what are the solution. Replace don't ask me too much with let's do it together, and expose them with the different experiences, different learning skills. Look parents, these signs not guarantee for the money, but yes, they guarantee